Alright, this is Ni Amuda, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you the website that you can use to do your mockup, that is phone mockup. So without wasting much time, this is it. We'll go over to the website now, and the name of the website is trade.io. So it's an AI website that is used for customized 3D device mockup. So that's the website over there. Alright, so this is it. It's called trade.io. Okay, so it's quite easy to use. This is how you use it. Very simple. So basically you will do the following. So just click on start generator, and this is going to be the mockup. So you can switch it, use your screen, you can switch it anyhow you want it. Just touch it and you can turn it upside down, anyhow you want it. It's a complete 3D 360 3D customized mockup. So assuming you want to do a design and you want it to be on a mockup like this, you can just do it like this. So you can edit it. Alright, you can change the color. I've changed it now to black. Alright, you can click on it again and change to white. Okay, so when you click on color, it will change. You can change the angle. Right, so you can make it sleep like this. Assuming you want the mockup to be to just relax on the ground like this. Right, so you can do that with it. You can also add shadow or you remove shadow. Right, and other function. So let me just go over to this. Okay, let's just use this. Okay, assuming this is what we want to use. Okay, assuming this is what we want to use, like this angle. So you can use any angle actually. You can use any angle. Okay. So this is when it's lying down, when the phone is just lying down. Okay. If you change it to this angle, it means it's going to be like this. Alright. So how do we do it? Very easy. Click on the menu bar. Click on upload. When you click on upload, it take you to your file. Alright, so you just go to your screenshot and pick any one. Alright, so I just want to pick one screenshot, and then that will be all. So this is the screenshot I've used, and you see it will just fit into the mockup. Alright, you can see it. So it just fit into the mockup, and that's all. So it's either you want it like this, or so you just play around it. So you save it. You can save it once you have properly positioned your mockup. It's not time to save it. Just click on the download button here. Alright, and in a very short time it's going to save. Okay, so that is it. It will save as a PNG so that you can lift it for your design. So let's go to Pixel Lab and see how we'll just lift that stuff. So when you want to lift it, okay, so let me go to over here. You can okay, this guy is coming on a white background, so that means you have to, after you finish with it, you have to take it to photo to remove the background before you use it for your design. So that's just it. So I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe.